Welcome to Arizona Living.
Come with us to check out this beautiful home in one of the most exclusive and desirable neighborhoods in the Northwest Valley.
Vistancia in Peoria, Arizona.
This new single-level home built in 2022 has features that are extremely hard to find. From the gourmet kitchen featuring an oversized island, gas cooktop, 10-foot ceilings, a 4-panel slider, and even an electric car charger.
The large resort-style yard that features backyard views of the Twin Buttes and over $150,000 of upgrades, including sparkling pool, porcelain tiles, synthetic turf, and outdoor kitchen with a gas pizza oven and gas fireplace.